Welcome guys to Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard over here in the beautiful place of Southern Oaks. And welcome to you all, different groups, different places, and we got like over 25 people today since morning. So many tasting group coming in, and I'm very happy. So we'll do these slices of Laverne variety and physical graffiti, and we'll be happy to do a tasting as well. Okay, so which one should we slice first?
Laverne.
Laverne. The Grande Laverne. Okay, what color is inside?
Purple.
Purple, white, red. Okay, pink.
What's the big, like how much is the
biggest? 3 pounds. I
3
got the
pounds?
record 3 pounds. Yes, so this is probably like £1.5 pounds, but the more plants get mature, you know, the bigger it's gonna be. Okay, we'll slice this way so I can show the color. Ooh la la. Oh my gosh! Look at the color. Gee. On the beautiful, interesting. Mamacita. See how pretty?
Yeah.
Love it, huh? Amazing. This is nice and perfect. Yeah, ready for harvest. People ask me to ship to Florida, you know, and everything. So be really carefully, because you know when you harvest the same day, it's perfect taste and everything. Shipping is like takes 3, 4, 5 days, but hopefully you know they'll get the same condition. Okay, that's the beauty of growing and harvesting and getting same day to the farmers market. You get nice and fresh, not like when I saw the data when the dragon fruit big farms and companies, they harvest halfway or 3/4 way in order to take another 10 days for shipping and storing and in the shelf time, so they harvest like before they even mature. Okay, so we got 11 people, and let's slice this way. We'll do like different cubes. Ooh, wow, this is very pretty, I'm telling you. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Everybody will get a good, nice slice to try. Okay, next one. Now we have like a dragon fruit buffet over here. Okay, that's cool. The next one, slice it in half. And especially when you cool it down in the refrigerator, it's much better flavor, nice refreshment, taste. So we got like 16 or 17 ones extra. There's always available. Okay, welcome, coming in. So the first one is the Laverne. Good, come grab a little piece, try it. Okay, you got napkins over here, trash container. Yummy. This is, I guess this is the perfect condition, you know. Nice and pretty. Okay, grab one piece. Get the napkins, guys. This gets really like juicy and tasty. Okay, enjoy. I have to try. It's the first one, you know, and I haven't tried yet. So, cheers, guys. This is Laverne. This is Laverne, guys. That's what I grow. There's so many carriers, and I want people to really enjoy. Yeah. Love it?
Yeah.
Come on, grab extra. Come on, kids, jump. You want not get this on in ones on Gelsons, you know. Only at beautiful Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard. Nice tour, tasting. Okay, next one, physical graffiti. Ooh la la, and all of them probably like £1.5 pounds, you know. Don't check the weight, but it looks nice and pretty and sweetie. Okay, nice color, same almost color. Okay, physical graffiti. Should be a little bit different taste. Each one has a different, unique taste. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. This is more pink color. A little bit different from the magenta color of the Laverne. It should be really good, sweet taste, and this is commercially growing, as well as Nextdoor-Dragon, American Beauty, Hellis Comet. This is a common variety for many years in California and growing very successfully and tasty. Party time. Ta-da. Get napkins, guys, if you need. These are big pieces. That's what they serve when they go farmers market. People enjoying, and kids getting free sugar dragon fruit from me, and everybody jumps and oh, yay! Very happy. Okay, get the napkins if you need, guys. Por favor, por favor. Enjoy. Yes, one for Ryan, one for the videographer. He's gonna get extra. He got extra credits. No? Salt? It's different? Mmm. When it's cooled down more in the refrigerator, I'm telling you, this is the party time.
How many days from when you pollinate the fruit
You
getting?
got to look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say 35, 40 days.
540?
Yeah, when you feel already like, when it gets fully red, day 2, 3, finito. You know, it doesn't have to be very soft. You touch the nice and firm. Last one. Here we go. Okay,
Thank you.
looks good.
Very good.
Okay, now, por favor.
Ofrenda.
Yes. Like in church. Donation. Here we go. Anybody wants water?
Can I have one?
You just drink, yeah, after this one.
Thank you.
Ryan, water?
I'm okay, thank
You're
you.
good. Thank you so much. Now, let's walk around. Anybody wants the shopping bag, and we'll do,
Yeah,
whatever we have left. You know,
Yeah,
we'll
yeah.
see. We got so many people. People
have
text
bags?
me already, Alik, leave me this one, leave me this one. I want 10, 20, 30 pounds.
Do you have
Different
bags?
variety. But season just started, it would be good enough for all.
Do you have bags that?
I got shopping bags, yeah. We'll go. Thank you so much.
Let me have the blue.